Hello, welcome everyone to my channel Pharmaceutical Concepts. Let us today understand certain rules for understanding or for determining lambda max of the derivatives of acyl benzenes, very similar to the earlier Woodward-Fisher rule which we have learned for determining lambda max of the carbonyl compounds, for the compounds from 1,3-butadiene category where we had homoannular system, heteroannular system. Okay, so that we have already learned. Just a small part ahead for determining lambda max of acyl benzenes. So the base values for derivatives of acyl benzenes, this is the basic structure of acyl benzene. If this X is alkyl or alicyclic residue, then the base value of this compound would be 246 nanometers. Okay. If this X is just H, that means aldehyde, then that base value of that compound would be 250 nanometers. So you can say that in that case the compound becomes benzaldehyde. So the approximate lambda max for benzaldehyde is 250 nanometers. The next, instead of this X, if I have OH or any OR group, then the base value of the structure becomes 230 nanometers. And then the rest incremental values as per the various substituents at different positions on the ring. So whether the substitution is present at ortho position, meta position or para position, and what is that substitution exactly, whether it is hydroxy group, alkyl group, any halogen or amino group. Okay, so based on that we have different incremental values. Let us see few examples, very simple examples. So if I have this structure with me, okay, so this is CHOBr. Okay, so here I will take base value of acyl benzene derivative where X is equal to H over here. Okay, so in that case the base value becomes 250. So just like benzaldehyde, 250 nanometers. And further I see this bromine at the para position. Okay, so bromine at, we can say, para position. So I can increase 15 units as per the earlier chart which I had shown you for the various values, and thus the lambda max of this compound, that is the theoretical lambda max. Okay, so theoretical lambda max of this compound is found to be 265 nanometers. Similarly, if I have this compound, okay, so suppose this is COOH and then CH3 over here. Okay, so base value of the acyl benzene derivative where X is equal to here OH. So in that case I am writing base value as 230 nanometers as per the earlier slide. And then I can see ortho meta at meta position. Okay, I have this alkyl substitution, alkyl substitution at meta position. Okay, so for that I have to increase 3 units. So that becomes the theoretical lambda max of this particular compound. Just two more simple examples I will show you. Here, if I have this structure, then this is COCH3 chlorine over here. Okay, so the base value here for acyl benzene derivative where X is equal to any alkyl group, okay, the base value is 246 nanometers, and chlorine at para position, that increases the lambda max by 10 units as per the chart on the first slide. So 256 nanometers becomes the theoretical lambda max of this particular compound. Okay, if I have two substitutions, okay, say OH here, OH here, and if I have COCH3. So for this compound also I can take base value as 246 nanometer as X is equal to CH3, that is R. And then incremental value I have to write OH at meta position, okay, at meta position 7 units I can add as per the chart on the previous slide, and OH at para position, okay, here I can add 25 units. Okay, so total it becomes 278 nanometers. This is the theoretical lambda max for this particular compound. I hope there are no doubts. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I will be glad to answer your queries. Thank you very much for paying attention. All the best. Have a nice day.